Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Krita, and I'll show you today how to create an ellipse or nice circle in Krita and to how to fill it with some color, for example. Okay, this is our project. Firstly, we have to choose brushes. I'm going to brush tool and I'm choosing the size of the brush and the color. Color I want it to be red one. Okay. Now let us see. Good line. And let's go to our ellipse tool. And ellipse tool, I'm holding left click of my mouse and see nice ellipses. And if I want it to be not ellipse but circle, I have to do left click of my mouse and then hold shift and then do my ellipses, which will be the circles. And if I want the circle to start at some point, here, for example, to be the center of the circle, I have to do left click of my mouse and to hold Shift and Control and to do my circle, which will have the center and that our chosen point. Okay, what if I want to colorize, to fill it with some color? You see here we have tool options of our ellipse tool, and here we have fill not fill chosen, and I will change it to some foreground color and I will choose this color. Let it be green, for example. And now let me do my new ellipse. It will be greenish. Okay, and what if I already did the circle and now I want to fill it? So I'm going to fill a selection tool. Choose it and we have our color chosen. Just click inside my circle. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.